7.8 magnitude quake struck before dawn on a rainy and snowy night. The U.S. Geological Survey said quake was centered about 33 kilometers from Gaziantep, about 26 kilometers from the town of Nurdagi. It was felt as far away as Cairo, Cyprus, Lebanon, and even in Greenland and Denmark. Hours later, a second earthquake of magnitude 7.6 struck southeastern Turkey's Kahramanmaraş region. It occurred at a depth of 7 kilometers, and the epicenter of the quake was Elbistan region of Kahramanmaraş province. The earthquake of magnitude 6.0 struck central Turkey later in the evening. An initial Turkish assessment estimated that 6,217 buildings had been destroyed across the affected areas. In addition, 224 buildings in northwestern Syria were destroyed and at least 325 were damaged, including 8 warehouses. Monday's quake is believed to be the strongest to hit Turkey since 1939. Earthquakes of this magnitude are rare, with fewer than